Are you looking to advance your career in supply chain management? At Regent Business School, your journey starts with a higher certificate in supply chain management, progress with a BCom, and you can take it slightly further with a postgraduate qualification. Experiential learning is reshaping how South Africa prepares graduates for the modern world. Now here you don't just learn theory, you experience how supply chain decisions work in real time. From AI-powered logistics, real-time route optimization, and smarter inventory planning, students learn how technology is transforming the industry. You'll explore the full supply chain process, from sourcing raw materials to production planning, inventory control, supplier relationship, and don't forget the delivery coordination. With flexible distance learning, affordable payment plans, and accredited qualifications, Regent Business School helps you balance your career, your studies, and your future. Regent Business School, where supply chain leaders are trained through experience and not just theory.